baby, baby, you're so beautiful. Love me, love me, love me, love me. Kiss me, kiss me. Touch me, touch me. Tease me, tease me. Love me, love me. Just promise me you will never let me go. And I promise you I'll do anything for you. Oh, na 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 na. Love me, love me. Kiss me, kiss me. Tease me, tease me. Oh, na 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 na. Love me, love me. Kiss me, kiss me. Touch me, touch me. Right now, 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 now. Just promise me you will never let me go. Oh no. And I promise you I'll do anything for you. Right now, 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 now. Oh yeah. For better and for worse, I'll be there by your side. No matter what the time.
Someone said I should fill your tongue. Someone asked you to fill my tongue? Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, who did?
The person just left.
A man or a woman?
A man. One is the Kelvin.
So I don't have to pay for the fuel anymore.
Be careful how you treat another.
Hello?
Yeah? Hello, Kelvin.
Yeah. How are you doing?
I'm fine, and you? I just wanted to say thank you for today. I mean, I got your message at the filling station. Well, it might be nothing to you, but it was actually big, and I really appreciate it. Thank you. Well, I'm fine. I'm good, and you? Not really. He's crippled now. Well, he did. But I guess luck was against him. I just called to say thank you. Just to let you know that I really appreciated what you did today. Okay, bye.
Character is like a pregnancy. See, the more you try to hide it, yeah, it's the more it comes to light, yeah, one way or another. So be careful what you do. Be careful how you treat another. Be careful what you do.
What are we going to do? Honestly, I don't know. Huh? What time is the lecture?
10:12 a.m. Do you know any mechanic around?
Which mechanic? Let me get my phone.
Life is a gift of love, but the choices we make are solely up to us.
Yeah, hello. No, I'm not too fine. I have a little issue. My car broke down along the road and I have a 10 o'clock class. Yes. Along Mwabushi Road. Yes, that's where we're parked. Close to the former commissioner's house. Yes. Alright, thank you. Okay, bye.
Mechanic, right?
No. Kelvin.
Kelvin. Which Kelvin?
How many Kelvin do you know?
I don't understand. When did this start?
When did what start?
You're talking comfortably with him, meaning that you guys have been talking for a long time.
Why? What do you mean, why? We just need help. I think we should sit and wait for him to come.
Character is like a pregnancy. See, the more you try to hide it, yeah, it's the more it comes to light, yeah, one way or another. So be careful what you do. Be careful how you treat another. Be careful what you do. Be careful how you treat another.
I didn't know of any mechanic to call. That's why I called you. We have a 10 o'clock class. I just needed a quick response. So hope you don't mind. Yep. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
Kelvin, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Bororo. Yeah, bring one of the cars to number 26, Nwabushi Street. Yeah, beside the commissioner's quarters. The commissioner's house. Alright, hurry up. I'm waiting.
That's very kind of you. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. Bring one of the cars. So what? Okay, let me call. Boss. Oh yeah, come. Come, Nwabushi Street.
But for your love, I've already paid the price. I don't even understand. What is it that makes you cry? See, you are breaking my heart. Oh no. How many lies? How many times me crying, I'm hurting, my love. I'm hurting inside. I'm broken, can you see me crying? I'm crying, I'm hurting deep inside. I'm hurting deep inside. Love, love, getting up. It is up, my love, love, getting up. It is up, love, I try to look on my way. On your mama, it is getting come How many times do I have to tell you?
I want to say a very big thank you. We're grateful. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I wanted to ask, how much did the mechanic collect from you?
Oh, don't worry about that.
Oh. Okay, and thanks again. And what do we offer you, please?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm perfect.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm burning silently.
Okay.
I'm hurting, can you see me hurting?
Clara, I have been calling you all morning. I called you several. You did not return my call. What is going on?
I'm sorry, I was in class when you were calling.
And after you got out of class, you saw my missed calls. Why did you not call me?
Williams, did you just hear me? I said I am sorry, I was in class. What is it? Hello? Hello? You heard what I said, right?
Yes. Clara, I can hear you.
I'm sorry, I would have to call you back. My mom is calling. Okay, alright. Bye. Hello?
Hello, damsel.
And hi, the handsome guy.
Wow, what a beautiful name. I swear to you, you're the first person to call me such a beautiful name.
Oh, please shut up. You know that is a lie. From the pit of hell, actually.
I'm not lying, I'm being truthful.
Okay, let's take it that you are not lying. So how are you?
Well, I'm great, doing great, fine. Just that I'm missing someone.
You're missing someone. A he or she?
She, of course.
So why don't I drop the call so you can talk to she and hear her voice?
No, don't do that. Don't do that. I'm very comfortable with the voice I'm hearing right now.
And you think you still want to miss that person?
What if I tell you the person I'm missing is the voice I'm hearing?
You're crazy and you know it, right?
I'm not lying, like I said, I'm being truthful. I'm telling you the truth.
Okay, so what's for the day?
Alright.
I don't even understand. What is it that makes you cry? See, you are breaking my heart. Oh no. How many lies? How many times have to bring to me. Oh, I'm broken. Can you see me crying? I'm hurting, my love. I'm hurting inside. I'm broken. Can you see me crying? I'm crying. I'm hurting deep inside. I'm hurting deep inside. Love, getting up. It is up on my love. Love, getting up. It is up on love.
Oh, look who we have here. You didn't tell me you were coming.
That is because I wanted to surprise you.
So, how are you?
I have missed you.
Okay. Now that you have me here, you can actually eat me all up.
Clara, how was today's lecture?
Boring as usual. Please, what do you have in this house? I'm famished.
I made ecosystem.
You are a lifesaver. Thank you, darling. I need to eat something. I'll be right back, okay? Woo! Okay, girl, just keep me company. I'll be back. I need to eat something.
Okay.
Did you notice something?
No. What's that?
Never mind. Is everything okay?
Of course, everything is fine. Oh, why would you ask?
Your attitude. You've been cold towards me. Is everything okay?
Williams, I don't understand this. I haven't been cold towards you. Why would you say so?
Williams. You call me Williams.
Sorry about that. Said I'm sorry.
I called you so that you can come home, so we can start plans for what we agreed on.
And that would be? Sorry, please just remind me.
Our marriage.
Oh. So, when do you want me to come?
Anytime now. I can't wait any longer.
Okay, I'll come this weekend. Yes, the weekend.
Clara, I love you. You know that, right?
Thank you.
I'm broken. Can you see me crying? I'm crying. I'm hurting deep inside.
Hey! Hey! Yeah! Thunder! You will walk on. Eh? You! Why are you kissing her? I said why are you kissing? Why are you kissing her? Eh?
What is it?
Eh? You! Eh? Does your mother know that you've been kissing from junction to junction? Eh? So your mouth now is for everybody to be kissing. Eh? See, in fact, you're not those in Achi again. You will see Nekwensu. Eh? Baby, I'll see you later. Hi! I'm a cook home. Wait for me. Eh? Baby, be one your eh? Idiot! Come on. Eh? In fact, from the look of this, you're not those in Achi again. This is Nekwensu. Eh? This is Nekwensu. You, let me see you next time. Let me see you next time. I wish that thing can touch your head inside the motor. Idiot.
That man you are insulting is my fiancé.
Imagine, that man you are insulting. He's not only fiancé, he's your Francis. And me, I'm your husband. How many people will you marry? Eh? How many people will you marry? You're confused. Eh? You're following him because of this small car. Eh? See, let me tell you, it's small thing that this guy is bigger than Vito. Eh? Rubbish. What's in Ekwensu? Eh? You want to break my heart? This is why you're a gold digger. Then I know your house. Stop. See, eh? Today, I will kill this your son.
So what did you do that I want you to say that?
See, eh? He's a white snatcher. Eh? Look at him now, he's laughing. He's a white snatcher.
White snatcher?
Yes.
Brother, who is he talking about?
Who else? He's not snatching now.
Oh, me I.
Eh? Oh. Fire your mouth. We need to kill you. Eh? See, eh?
Go home. I will talk to myself. Go.
See, you check Alu, eh? I will go. But next time, next time I see him close to my wife, eh? Oh, you people should just prepare for his burial.
Is your burial we're going to prepare for?
Hey.
So, you will prepare for his burial?
Yes, in fact, allow me to keep on dead body. No. Don't worry. Let me see you. Let me see you again. Nonsense. See, eh? You're laughing. You're laughing. Leave me alone. Leave me. Papa, come back. This guy would you.
So what is it you said you wanted to ask me?
Alright. So tell me about him. What really happened?
Well, he bought a house for my mother, myself, and my sister. On that fateful day, he had taken us from the old house to the new house, and on his way back, he had an accident. But you know what I don't understand is why everyone keeps blaming me, accusing me of causing his accident. I mean, it was meant to happen. But then I wouldn't even have my peace. Everybody thinks that accident happened because of me. What am I supposed to do? Okay, let's be frank here. I just want you to be the judge. Have I done anything wrong? I mean, I've been with this man for 8 months, taking him from one place to the other. I have tried. I am too young to go through that kind of stress, but nobody seems to understand. Does it feel like I've done something wrong? Because
No, you've done nothing wrong. At the same time, we're all human. I understand. I feel for him. But it's all right. It's all right. So.
Well, I felt for him at the initial stage, but then I have a life. I'm still a very young girl. It's my happiness and not theirs.
Yeah.
I can't be going through that kind of stress at this young age. Basically, that's what happened. I mean, I used to feel bad, but Not anymore.
I understand. Life is all about happiness.
It's just so beautiful that you understand me. I mean, no one else has ever said these words to me.
I do. I understand everything perfectly. Yep. Well, I'm not going to have an accident.
Shut up. I wasn't talking about you having an accident. What's wrong with you? Huh?
What happened?
Clara, why did you not come back home last weekend as we agreed? I waited for you.
Yes, I was supposed to come. But I thought you understood it already. I said I'm busy. My second semester exam is coming up.
So what are you saying?
What I'm saying is that I need you to give me time. Maybe after my graduation.
Clara, your graduation is in 2 years' time, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, 2 years from now. But sincerely, I will be glad if you could do this for me.
Clara, why are you turning me down?
What are you saying, Williams? I don't understand it. What do you mean turning you down? Why are you trying to take this in a different dimension? You know what? I'll call you back. I need to fix something.
I'm broken, can you see me crying? I'm crying, I'm hurting deep inside. I'm hurting deep inside. Love, getting up, it is up, my love, getting up, it is up, look on the way, getting on your mind. Give me come how many times do I have to tell you that I really love you? Oh yeah, in so many ways I've already shown you that I really love you. Oh God, the difference is like black and white. The gap is like night and day. Can't you see? I really, really love you. I'm burning, can't you see me burning? Yeah. I'm burning deep inside, I'm burning silently. I'm hurting, can you see me hurting? Yeah. I'm hurting deep inside, I'm hurting quietly. How many lies, how many times do you have to lie to me? Oh, I'm broken, can you see me crying? I'm hurting, my love, I'm hurting inside. I'm broken, can you see me crying? I'm crying, I'm hurting deep inside. I'm hurting deep inside. I'm bleeding.
You're welcome, my friends.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. Then how are your parents?
They're just fine.
Please, let's go inside.
I would rather we speak here. I have come to see you because I have some complaints about Clara. Not only has she changed, Clara lately has been avoiding me.
Please don't say that again, my prince.
It is the truth. We agreed that she would come home so that we can make plans for the wedding. She did not come home. She did not call. I got worried. So I started calling. I called Clara severally and she did not take my calls. She did not return my calls either. But then I kept calling. And when she eventually picked up, we talked. And she told me that she thinks that we're going too fast. That she would appreciate it if I give her some time. So in the interest of peace, I asked her how much time she would want. Clara told me that she would be ready after graduation. Mama, you and I know that after graduation will be 2 years from now. I brought up a fiber. That was not the agreement.
You mean my daughter Clara told you this?
That is why I'm here. Hoping that if you have a heart-to-heart talk with her as her mother, she would maybe listen to you or open up and tell you the truth. Tell you why she has suddenly changed, why she's avoiding me, why she's hurting me.
My prince, please, don't worry yourself. Go ahead with whatever plan you have with her. Definitely she will come back. That I promise you. She will come back. Trust me.
I shall take your word for it. I don't see Promise around. How is she doing?
She's not yet back from school.
It is fine. Let her know that I was here. And send my warm regards to her.
I will.
Huh? Thank you very much for your time. Guards.
My prince.
Clara. Hello? Clara. Now listen to me. Listen to me and listen good. Let me see you now. Let me begin to see your leg inside this compound. Or else, just get yourself prepared to arrange for my burial.
Mama, why are you sounding this way? You're scaring me. What is it?
Stop asking me questions. Do as I say. Or dare me.
Mama, listen, you need...
Nonsense.
Hello?
Is there any problem?
It's my mom. I need to get to my village right now.
Oh, is she sick?
No, she's not, but I mean, she sounded really worried. I need to go.
All right. You want me to go with you?
It's okay. I'll see you when I get back. But I need to leave right away. Okay? I'll see you when I get back. Let me just pick up my bag and just hold on.
Life is a gift.
Mama, what is it? How are you sounding like that over the phone?
How did I sound? Huh? What was your arrangement with Prince Williams?
I had no arrangement with him, Mama. He talked about getting married to me and I told him to wait, maybe after graduation.
Really? Did you just open down your mouth and told him that?
Yes, I did. After all, I'm the one getting married to him. I know when I'll be happy or not. So please, Mama, let's not just push this. Biko.
Now I get it. Listen to me, Clara. I am a woman. Your mother precisely. If there's anything outside your relationship with Prince Williams, consider it a waste. Because it will not work. I will never stay alive to see you just that young man. Never.
Hey, sister, shut up.
He said shut up!
Mama, seriously, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't understand this whole thing.
I don't want you to understand. The only thing I want you to understand is stand up from here right now. Go to his house because already I told him you are coming today.
Mama, I can't go to his house. I'm going back to school.
Then, if you want to be an orphan, then let me play that thing I told you on phone. Let me show you an example of what I told you on phone. Right now, under your own very nose.
Mama Chirigodo, are you threatening me?
It's not a threat. But I'm only telling you what I'm about doing under your own nose now if you don't stand up to go and see Prince Williams in his house.
I said shut up.
And you shut up.
Character is like a pregnancy. See, the more you try to hide it, yeah, it's the more it comes to light. Yeah, one way or another. So be careful what you do. Be careful how you treat another. Be careful what you do. Be careful how you treat another.
Williams, what did you tell my mother? Oh, please shut up and don't call me that nonsense. What exactly did you tell my mother?
I told her the truth. I told her that you have been avoiding me.
And you think running to my mother will actually change my mind?
Baby, please. Calm down, okay? Whatever it is, we can talk about it. We can sort it out. Just tell me what it is. Please, I beg you.
Now you want to talk. You're asking me to calm down. Williams, what is your problem? It was just one thing. One simple thing I asked of you. Time. After my graduation, we could do anything you want. Go on with your plans, but no. All you could do is run to my mother and report me.
I didn't report you, baby. I didn't report you. I just told her how you've been treating me. In the hopes that you would confide in her as your mother, and that way I get to know what is happening to us. I did not report you.
Since you want to wait, you could go out there, get another woman and marry her. Because you see this girl standing right here is not ready for marriage. And let me make this clear. The next time you go to my mother and spit nonsense, you won't like my reaction.
How many lies? How many times do you have to lie to me? Oh, and how much pain in so many ways did you have to bring to me? Oh, I'm broken. Can you see me crying? I'm hurting. My love, I'm hurting inside. I'm broken, can you see me crying? I'm crying, I'm hurting deep inside. I'm hurting deep inside. Love, getting hurt.
So what happened? Where's your car?
Oh.
Where's your car?
I returned it.
Did you request for it?
He did not. I was just tired, and I don't want any more insults from him. Imagine the fool. He had the guts to report me to my mother, saying that I have been avoiding him. Can you imagine that? Yes.
Let's see. Or you see, any first marriage doesn't last.
Good. You know these exact words she just said? It's the same thing I need my mother to hear. I mean, the woman is not even listening to me. She doesn't even care about my own feelings.
But she should understand you're an adult. You have every right to make your own decision. Huh?
You see, right now, I don't care. I am done being a maid to that guy. I have tried. For the past 8 months, I have been taking this man back and forth. Can you imagine? He even defecates on his bed. Wow. I have to do the cleaning, do everything. I mean, they should understand where I am coming from. I am tired. And then his useless sister Daisy wouldn't even for once come into the room to help her own brother. All she does is send a maid to clean her brother up.
So
a full-grown man.
For 8 years you've been a slave in that house?
For 8 months.
8 months?
Yes, 8 months. It's been hell. Hell. Let's just take me out of here. I need to go somewhere and relax. I'm tired.
All the choices we make are solely up to us. If I'm your
Your daughter is staring me. I'm just keeping quiet because of you. If not, I would have taught her a lesson she will never forget in a hurry.
No, Biko. My knees are on the ground. Please, I'll make sure I call her to order. Please.
Do that as soon as possible.
I will.
You may sit.
Thank you.
Janet.
Your Majesty.
If I ever see my son in pains again because of her, I will put her in a condition she will never come out of.
Your Majesty, please calm down. Hold every of your action for now. Please.
You know my husband, the king. He's a no-nonsense man.
I know.
Good. All these things are like this because he's not aware of anything yet.
Lolo, please, don't tell him yet. I will make sure I bring her first thing tomorrow morning. Please. It's a promise. Please.
I'll be waiting.
Thank you.
Follow me to the village. Mama, stop me. What kind of harassment now? Mama, stop. Hey, listen. Either you follow me peacefully to the village or you kill me here today.
It is better you bury me in this house, Mama, because I will not move an inch.
What is it? I have no boss and you be here screaming. Follow me to the village. I am not going there. Clara, let's go. Please, Mama, follow me to the village now.
Mama, stop this.
It's better you go with me peacefully or you kill me here.
Then get a cutlass because you will cut off my head. I am not leaving this compound. What is it now?
Clara.
Eh? What is it?
Will you keep quiet? Keep quiet! You knew about it all this while. But you kept it to yourself. You didn't even bother to tell me. And you're telling me it's alright. Eh? Follow me to the village. Mama, have to come account. Have to come account. Leave me alone. Mama, stop. Hey, Clara, calm down now.
Just respect yourself.
Sorry?
Come on. What's good? Madam, please.
What's that? Who are you? Mama, who are you? Mama? Huh?
Yes, sorry. Yes. My name is Kelvin. I'm her fiancé.
Is it? Yeah! Mama, people, you're what?
Madam, please take it easy.
Take what easy?
Yeah, we can talk this.
Talk what over? Talk what over that you confused my daughter. Took her away from the man that suffered for her. The man that gave me shelter. The man that gave her this whole building. The man that even went. Oh, the man that cannot even walk. Still because of her. And you are telling me that we can start here to talk this over. Tell me what you want to talk over. The only talk over is for her to follow me to the village. That's all it is. Mama, keep quiet. Keep quiet. I'm talking here to talk. You keep quiet. what you are talking? Mama. Keep quiet. Mama. Listen to me. Run downstairs, go to the nearest police station. Go and call the local police for me. Go to this level. Local police. It doesn't go to Mama. You said what? I don't. It's either you kill me here or you follow me to the village. Mama, that's what it is.
Mama, please listen to what I have to say. When I met your daughter, she wasn't walking along with any man. And since I met her, no man has ever walked up to me to tell me she belongs to him. Please, I'm saying this not because I'm involved, but because I know it's the truth. Please. This action you're about to take, I want you to have a rethink. It is an adage that says, you can force a horse to the stream, but you cannot force that horse to drink water. Mama, please, do not take this action you're about to take and make your daughter regret all the days of her life. Marriage is supposed to be something you enjoy all your life, not regret. It's supposed to be eternal. Please, at your own quiet time, think about all I have said.
Kelvin. Come on, sit down. Kelvin, walk about. Kelvin, Mama. Stupid. I'm talking about Kelvin. Idiot. Shut up. Will you keep quiet?
Now let me break it down for you. I hope you know he cannot assume the truth because of his condition.
How did you know that?
Because I'm an Igbo man and I know much about the tradition. I am very close to tradition.
He has told me that before.
Fine. Now tell me, what is the need of getting married to someone that will be a liability to you for the rest days of your life? Listen, he has lost it. He lost everything.
He lost everything because of me.
Lie. He lied to you. Probably that's what he made you believe. But listen, right from the very first day he was born, it has been written that he's going to get that accident with you or without you. So come on, stop blaming yourself.
He has done a lot for me.
Come on.
I mean, I can't possibly leave him now.
Come on, I thought you were more exposed. Now, Phil, let's break it down. This, for example, is the opposite side. It is you, the accident, placed on a wheelchair. Do you think he'll be so proud of you? Telling people, yes, he had an accident, he's in this condition because of me? No. Probably he would have gotten married to one other girl from the village, probably your friend, and make her the queen of women's kingdom. Come on. Think about what I just said. Think about it. I thought you were more exposed. Now, let's break it down. This, for example, is the opposite side. It is you that accident placed on the wheelchair. Do you think he's so proud of you? telling people yes, he had an accident, he's in this condition because of me? No. Probably would have gotten married to one other girl for feeling probably your friend. And make her the queen of women in the kingdom. Come on.
Listen to me, Clara. I am a woman. Your mother precisely. If there's anything outside your relationship with Prince Williams, consider it a waste. Because you don't work. I will never stay alive to see you just like that young man. Never.
Janet.
Your Majesty.
Where is your daughter?
I went to the city. I tried all I could, but she refused to follow me.
Shut up, you liar!
I'm not lying.
How dare you lie before my mother? Aren't you afraid? Or you want me to order the guards to beat you up?
Oh, what is this now?
No, mother! Why would she lie before us?
I'm not lying.
Are we kids? You know what, Mom? Allow me to handle this matter myself.
Your Majesty, I swear by the gods of people in that community, I tried all I could to bring her back, but all to no avail. Please, I'm not lying.
Your daughter cannot eat her cake and expect to have it back. Get out of my compound. Please. Don't touch me.
Please.
Don't touch her.
Please.
Guards!
Please, please.
She said you should get out.
Guards! Please.
Run if you can.
Akwe chekatanu na dikana ya cheseno. Akwe mekatanu adiko kaya pusenu. Ije love way, ije yunanya. Kona suso, kona fufu. Ije love way.
Dry what?
I can't drive. Why? You think you can eat your cake and have it, right?
And what is that supposed to mean, Princess Daisy? Is it by force to marry your brother?
Oh, now you know marriage is not by force. Guards, bundle her into the car.
What? Now if you dare lay your filthy hands on me, I'll give you the pity of your life. Don't touch me! Don't wait! Don't touch me! Adese, what is the meaning? You will let me go! Please, don't let her! Don't! Bring her out! What's the meaning? Adese, what is this? That's away from me!
Move it,
Shut up! You did everything because of you! Did I ask you to help? Did I ask you, Adese, take your stand, I'm in this condition, and I'm there with you? How can you think of something like that? And Mom, you're there. You saw her. How am I sure the both of you did not plan this together?
Don't you ever point at me again. Never.
Williams, it's okay. Alright? Adeze, who asked you to bring her here?
Nobody, Father. I did it on my own. Because that girl is a gold digger. She can't eat a cake and have it.
Father, tell this girl to stop talking. Mark, you go. I will break your neck. Did I ask you to help me collect my cake? Are you mad? Are you out of your mind? Now, listen up, everyone. Adeze.
Father.
Anytime you take orders from any other person in this palace without my consent, then I will show you an example of how to be honest and obedient. Is that okay? Now, guard! Guard! Go untie that girl and set her free.